Hi crafters, today we'll be making a set of really quick place cards. You can literally create some at the last moment, and at the same time they are very unusual and will make great keepsakes. I'll be using Paper Discovery dice from different releases and different sets. For the base, I'll be using this one from the Snow Globe Ornament die set. It's meant to create a 3D base, but this time I'm going to alter it a little bit to make it flat. So I'm placing the die cut into the paper trimmer and I'm going to trim off both sides completely, and then I'm going to trim off this large tab. So this is the shape that we should get. To create one place cards, we're going to need 2 of those shapes. I'm making 4 cards today, so it means I'm going to create 8 shapes. This is the decorative insert, that is the part of the same die set. It's created with these 2 small dies. I've die cut 4 shapes out of blue cardstock and now I'm going to attach them onto the white base. To finish off the stand, I'm going to attach the 2 sides of the base just like this. I'm folding them in half. That fold line is created by the die, and then I'm going to apply some glue and stick them together. This white space at the bottom is for writing down the names. I will add them later on. And now it's time to add the focal images onto the stands. I'm using the 4 different images from different die sets by Paper Discovery again, and I've die cut each shape out of white cardstock as well as out of blue. Next I'm going to trim down the blue die cut and create some overlays for the white die cut. So in this case I'm going to leave the blue dress and just get rid of the rest. And then I'm going to stick down the dress onto the ballerina shape. Next I'm going to treat the flute player shape exactly the same way. I'm going to trim off some of the details that are blue and I'm going to stick them down onto the white base. You can use absolutely any die cuts that you have. It can be people or it can be Christmas trees like I'm doing here. It can be the flowers, the pine cones, just anything you like, even the sentiments. I'm treating the 3 die cuts exactly the same way, just to keep the color scheme of my project all blue and white. To add a pop of color and some dimension, I'm going to use Nuvo drops. This color I'm using is Sugared Almond, and I'm going to squeeze out some drops to decorate all the shapes. So as for the human die cuts, I have added some details to their clothes, and as far as the trees are concerned, I'm adding some Christmas decorations to them. You can also choose to use the half pearls or sequins. As soon as I finish decorating, I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of hot glue at the bottom of each die cut, and I'm going to attach it to the stand like this. And that's all you have to do to create those place cards. And this is what the finished card look like. As you see, they don't take up a lot of space on a table at all. You can even add a small personal message at the back of the card. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please come back tomorrow for the last tutorial of the series. Have a wonderful day and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye bye!